Hi guys, I'm Clara, product developer from Viet Home Stone, who always find and create new trends. Today, I'm going to show you our marble mosaic collection, designed inspired by nature. Follow me.
At Viet Home Stone, Mosaic is not only a business product but also an artwork. Nature can be a great source of inspiration for our artwork, whether it is a close-up of a flower, a tree in the forest, leaf on the ground, or a river. In nature, you can find an abundant variety of shapes, patterns, and color combination that you can translate into beautiful mosaic artwork. There are actually many benefits to use nature-inspired design in your home. First, it serves as a visual connection between indoor and outdoor environment. Second, it can also reduce stress and improve emotional functioning. Third, in addition, nature-inspired design can also improve concentration. As you can see here, we have many different designs that are all inspired by nature. The beauty of many flowers is all displayed in our mosaic. We have a lovely daisy, strong hexagram, and interesting sunflower. The combination of gray and milky white marble, which is sourced from Vietnam, is the current decorative trend. Saturation gray and white color scheme calm and soft advances and elegant. In addition, the leaf mixed color mosaic is a unique design that I want to recommend you. Inspired by a soothing forest with various foliage and leaf shape, this stunning tile is ideal for use on warm and sour area. And the paper mosaic will increase the appearance of your house immediately. Strong design with the perfect sharp edge, a wide range of color with a high polishing technique will make your home more elegant and luxurious.
So, if you're looking for the way to make your home look more natural, be sure to check out our mosaic collection, inspired by nature.